All right, y'all, what's up, y'all? Give me a quick video on differentials, all right? I had an open 293 in this car, so I removed it and I grabbed a 323 limited slip, okay? I don't gotta go into why limited slip is superior in damn near every aspect. I'm not gonna belittle you guys like that. But I elected to go with Revshift 95A poly bushings, and I am also not gonna go into a battle about why 95A is superior to 70 and better than stock, yada yada. Because at the end of the day, it's all preference. It's what you can handle. It's what you're building your car for. Okay. Why I chose this gearing and this diff is because my T56 is geared a certain way, and when paired with this diff, it literally mirrors a C606. All right, so anybody who's familiar with a C606, they have really long gears. All right, they're highway monsters. They can, you can roll race, great gas mileage, and they have enough power and torque to get it done if they're road coursing. All right, that's the boat I'm in. Some of you guys may not want to go with a 323 if you're using a T56 and you're something like an NA48 or something, all right, and you're barely cracking 300 to the wheels. It's going to suffer as far as acceleration. So if you guys have smaller displacement engines, NA or whatever, you're going to want to go with like a 373, a 391, something like that. All right, whatever you can fit. That's a little bit shorter. All right, but yeah. This is gonna be a quick install, okay? It just shows you the work involved. All right, so like I mentioned earlier, here's the Revshift 95A bushings. I'm feeling some type of way, man. I feel like I should have went with the softer poly. But hey, we're here. Let's just push on with it. I'll be sure to leave a detailed review on these one day. Cause I hear a lot about the harshness, and I kind of want to keep this car just a fun, not a daily, but a fun little car I can drive and not be too uncomfortable with it. Yeah, here are the bushings. Yeah, they are much harder. They still have some kind of flex. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's not like a normal poly bushing, all right? But yeah, I guess I'll start with the drill and tap. And for this bushing, I went with the upgraded bolt, all right? Now, the OEM one is a 12 millimeter, all right? The upgraded one is 14 millimeter. Because what's pretty common if you make, big power on these platforms, which, what do they come with, like 200, around 200 wheel stock, something like that? Or just about. So when you're bumping that up to damn near 500 and the torque is gonna be like 470 or whatever, you're definitely gonna want to upgrade to a 14 millimeter bolt. All right. Real quick, I'm just gonna drill and tap. I have my M14 drill and tap here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but everything went well. Just make sure you're lubing it up real good. And go in a little bit, come back out. Go in a little further, come back out. That's the method I did. I use a 1/2-inch drill bit to drill everything out, and then I use the M14 tap. So yeah, let's move on. You can see the size difference. Went all the way in, no problems. All right, so next I gotta get these bushings out. And I'm not gonna do it the usual way, all right? I'm just gonna take a hole saw that is appropriately sized to drill out all this rubber. And then I'm gonna take a reciprocating saw and cut the metal and then just tap the bushing out. All right, or the metal casing around the bushing out. All right, you guys might have the proper tools and everything. I don't. I am not gonna go buy them. I am just gonna get them out by any means necessary. Took a little bit of brute force. Well, not brute force, but wrong tools. But it's out. Let me go ahead and put the new bushings in. Okay, so like I said, it was a quick video, okay? It's gonna be a quick turnaround as far as my next video. My drive shaft showed up, okay? I have my yoke here, my slip yoke, and the BMW adapter flange will be here tomorrow, okay? How you measure, and then what you can do to stay away from the drive shaft shop, or stay away from paying $800 for Sicky, whatever off-the-shelf stuff you have, okay? This will cost you around $300 to $400 to make your own, okay? You don't need to go to any shops, buy any special tools. You literally get the slip yoke, the diff side of it, and you measure, and then whatever measurements you get, you just go online, and I'll show you what sites I got mine from. There's a number depending on if you want aluminum, 2.5, 2.7, 3-inch, or larger. It depends on if you're drag racing, street racing, circle track, whatever, okay? But yeah, you just go online, you take the measurements, and you order a drive shaft, okay? Super easy, super cheap. We're not gonna be playing with these drive shaft shops. One quoted me more than what Sicky was here, all right? I wasn't getting those Arizona prices that I'm used to, okay? So y'all stay tuned for my next video. Hopefully it drops tomorrow, if not the day after, okay? So I appreciate y'all checking it out. Subscribe, like, dislike, whatever, all right? Y'all interact with me. Let me know how I did. You have any more questions, y'all know how to find me, all right? Y'all take it easy.